Hello everyone, welcome to Swarag Beauty Channel. So you might have seen in our previous video where we had shared the basement waterproofing system that we installed in this property. So we had a lot of gravel left over from that job. So what we are doing right now is just beautifying the yard. Even though we had mulched it prior to this waterproofing job, we still did not want to waste all the gravel. I think the company that we hired ordered more than needed. So what we are doing right now is essentially taking the gravel and putting it around the perimeter of our house. So this is what I'm doing. As I told you, we had mulch already. We had already put mulch and everything. So right now we are just going to, whatever is left, we're using it and we're putting these stones on top of the mulch. And I think it's going to end up looking pretty good. So here's all the leftover gravel. And these stones look very nice in person. I mean, they're mostly white in color, white gray combo. See how we've done this? And I'm tackling this myself. I've been working on it for, let me say, I think probably a couple hours. I'm taking break in between because this is not, for me it's not a easy job. So I'm just taking a few minutes break in between, but I think it's looking nice. So I don't know, I'm gonna see if I can take care of all of this side that's left, and then probably also address the backyard. See over here, maybe I think I might be able to use up the remaining gravel all the way through. So I think it will be nice once it's all done. It's already looking nice, but I think with it fully completed, it's going to look good. So I'm going to keep you guys posted as I make my way through this work and let you guys know. Thank you for watching. All right, I finished the yell, so you can see how I completed putting the gravel entirely on the side. So you can see it looks so beautiful actually. So I can show you. There you go. See that? I was generous when I dumped the gravel, so it looks nice. Yep. So let me see. I don't know. This is what is left. This is what is left. So I think I can complete the backyard. Okay, let me show you this one. You see that? I went all the way in. I am pretty satisfied with the output. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest and keep you guys posted. So keep on watching. So everything is done. We've also completed this side. It was perfect. The material that we had used was just about enough to get the job done. So this is everything. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment on my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.